big skull.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I saw that. I see that.
The eyes and the nose.
Yeah, I do see that.
Oh,
I don't know if it shows up on camera. Yeah, it looks like a skull, eyes,
Honey,
mouth,
this is your skeleton.
skeleton. Snake Mountain. There's no snakes in here.
Din.
Question, ito pa sa nakita? We just didn't bring any of the kids. So if one comes, then the other one will be
Everybody
upset.
comes.
See? Let's go.
Dito naman sa gilid tungkol sa mainit.
We call it in our like duli-duli. That's like what you're hearing. Yapon. We have to just watch. I can tell if you want.
I'm watching my I watch my stuff.
See?
I do this. Raw.
But it's just here. Mama was already tired. Perfect. That way, when you get there, we're eating lunch. Okay, this is the barangay kot mo. Diba? Ngal-ngal na.
You need the fan.
No. You always sit because there's a lot of leaves. Hoyop-Hoyopan Cave. You wanna rest a little bit?
Well, up to you guys. I'm fine.
Okay, go ahead.
Ready?
Okay, good.
Di na.
Next sa batang kami kasusa dahil pagtawag sa kwarta nga nakansa Sabado na kana na nga.
It's the original entrance.
Oh, nice.
So,
Going down here and going up using bamboo ladder.
yeah.
And the cave called Hoyop-Hoyopan because of the wind. Hoyop means blow. Wind blowing. So you can feel a natural earthquake
it's nice
inside the cave.
Nice and cool.
Okay, inside the cave, use your strong imagination to see many rock formation. Even green imagination, you can see here.
Yeah, pagpapasay na nagtadi malu
Here,
see.
you can see a formation, look like an image.
Oh, yeah.
The head has a curved body.
What's this car? Is that good?
Oh, what's this naturally?
Naturally.
Really?
It's only formed by water.
Oh, wow.
Because the water here are mineral
Yeah.
and it contains calcium
So this was
carbonate.
full of water?
No.
From, I get it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Coming from the stalactite,
Yeah.
coming from the root of the tree.
See, those are all natural.
You can see birds here.
They're bats.
That's
You can see, there's bats.
You saw balinsayawan yan eh.
Yeah, balinsayawan. We call them balinsayawan. Those are
Balinsayawan
bats.
in Bicol, balinsasayaw in Tagalog. Swallow birds, sir.
Yeah.
Oh,
Their nest,
That's
in the
expensive,
soup.
right? That's an expensive soup.
Yes.
They get for expensive soup.
Maybe 5,000 per bowl.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your start? Did you see the water here?
Oh, here.
Do not touch.
Yeah.
Because according to the geologists, 1 inch per century, it grows.
Oh, so don't touch it.
Yes.
See, because that's, per century. Just say there's one too.
Now this form kaya yan. This form, if you touch it every day.
Yeah.
But if you feel a water drop to your skin, a cold water, that's a blessing. It is called holy water.
Okay, that's good.
But if warm, that's a holy shit. Because that's a first poo-poo.
Not a blessing.
And the cave served as an evacuation area during strong typhoon.
Oh,
Many
still
families-
today.
Yes, until now. Many families hide here for shelter. Right now, isa na kami. Slowly,
Oh, bats.
that's a fruit bats.
Wow.
Maybe Batman came out of the Philippines.
Batman lives somewhere here.
Yeah, it's like the back here.
Yan yung paligid na yan.
This is cool.
These are...
If you are first time, you have to bless.
Okay. Do I have to bite the wall?
That is also, if you like,
Comfortable in here. I can sleep in here.
you will see, that's a hand formation.
This here? Wow.
Here, down here. Careful. Slippery. No, in this side.
Here?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you bless.
Water, so I'm good.
Yeah.
I feel the blessing.
Did you wish?
You have to
Yes.
make a wish.
Oh,
You
okay.
okay, go back.
I felt the holy water.
You have to make a wish, especially this is the first.
Maybe if you wish, maybe you can tell me.
Naman ang lipot.
You can join, sir, with
Okay. Oh, I like this. It's
your
cold.
wife.
Yeah, I know. Stay here all day.
Okay. Ayos. Thank you.
Here.
See, this is the natural. A lot of people comes here for Let's go. Yeah, come here. Sige, papicture na
Oh, what view?
Come here. Sige na, take a picture.
From the third level?
Di mo kami nakadon. Susunod.
This is the third level of the...
No, we're going the other way.
Oh, I see. Is that
This is
a
the third opening of the cave.
third opening?
Only second, all of these here, we explore only the second floor.
When we were kids, we used to always just run around here, and even that's no issue. Just run, not now.
Yeah.
Let's go back in.
Sure.
Maybe you can take some rest. German geologists and archaeologists cut that to experiment. They found out that this part of the cave served as a burial ground of the cavemen.
Right.
Because they get their jar, and inside the jar, a human bone. I will show you here. Okay, here. This is the fossils
Oh, right there.
from our arms. In arms. Difference from our bone because that's a little, because the caveman was a little people that time. And the cave, long time ago, are under the sea or under the water.
Right.
Okay, this is the true water line or sea level around the cave.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I did see that.
I will show you
You
also.
can see like...
I will show you later a dead corals.
Oh, here?
Oh, so it actually... Wow.
Oh, wow. Yan ang history ng cave. But on the other side, the side view, look like T-Rex.
Yeah, it
Head
does.
of dinosaur.
See, I saw that when we went from the other way too.
Yes, this one. Eyes.
It's like one of
nose,
those...
mouth, and neck.
So I saw
Isa
T-Rex.
daw na ita isang ilaw na
Before the
yan.
hand.
Mas kita ko si T-Rex.
Time will come, according to the geologists, all of the cave will close.
Oh, really?
Because if there's a water, it's still growing.
Yeah. I guess thousands of years. I got it.
Paniki, right there. Yan, oh. Look, yan.
I see it.
Ay, tigbak mo na ha.
I didn't notice that. I was just taking picture in the middle. See, there's three.
Circle
circle.
around the church now.
I see it. Yeah.
That's a Holy Trinity in Catholic.
Yeah, because Yeah, he was saying there was like a cyclone in like the water when it used to be in the water. So they formed those formation.
The hair, curly hair, shoulder, hips, and feet.
Oh yeah, I see her. Yeah,
That's
yeah.
a beautiful vat.
Yeah.
There's a story there. The lady are crying because the husband commit suicide. He hung herself. This one, the hanging man.
Oh, here, yeah.
Hanging man, that one.
Yeah.
Other story there, the man hung herself because he felt jealous to her wife. Because he saw with companion to the other man.
Right.
Third party down eh.
I didn't even know that story, honey. So I
Only
just
story.
Yeah,
So
that's
you're
when I was young. We just go in here. We didn't really care what's the stalagmite. The only thing I know is the stalagmite and the stalactite. That's all I know. and the hand. That's all I know.
Now you know a lot more.
Only story. And the
Lots of
question
history.
is where and who the other man is. The other tour guide outside.
Yeah.
Ingat na ah. Okay, that is the dance floor. So they built a dance floor here during martial law in 1972 because at 8:30 in the evening, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, up to 5 p.m.
Right.
They held also here a birthday parties.
Nagka-party na.
Kasi Manong said, hindi siya nag-celebrate.
You have ano na baga wiring pa doon. Before you don't have, you just kerosene lamp to come in here.
Yeah.
That was when I was young.
Also a torch.
Yeah, torch.
The eyes and
Probably not if you take the picture. I see it here.
Sir, where did you find many crocodile here in Philippines?
I haven't seen any actually here.
You can find here in Senate.
Oh, okay.
So we call them buaya
Buaya.
because they're like the corruption and all that.
Oh, I get it now.
They're
So those kind of crocodiles. We have those back home too.
This is the dead corals.
Oh, yan, look at those. Mga corals.
Oh, yeah, I
Kasi
see that.
I just put this was water before.
Underwater.
Oh yeah, definitely. So yeah, you can see they're all coral here. So this was all, I guess, in water.
What's your name, sir?
Okay.
Okay, sir. Are you hungry?
I'm always hungry.
Okay, because maybe you'll take a bite on the drumstick.
And I like meat, so perfect. Look at it.
Chicken joy.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's like a big chicken joint for Jollibee.
Oh, pa-picture kita
Ito,
na.
para against the light na, pwede siguro funny mo.
There's the volcano. We can see the Mayon again. It's the volcano is the star here, not us. There's the Mayon. Now we're heading down the trail.
We're going back sa Mercules. So ako sa to.
My knee is healed.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Now you want me to tell you?
No, I'm good.
This is the side of the sea. Do you want to take a picture of you?
No, it's fine.
What? Side of the cave.
Okay.
Captain Canadian.
Captain. Oh, this is good. Good exercise, huh?
These are the regular ants.
Yeah.
Those are giant black ants.
I see them. So there's a black
Close to
ant.
the ants.
All right.
Oh, so, ano na sa kwarta? So, ano?
Salamat!
Salamat. In the cave.
Tingnan mo ba wala pa din buta? Di pa din mo wala ko pag-isip.
Yes, yung sakos niya ma.
Picture kita duli-duli.
Okay, tapos ko. Ayun na.